welcome back to the channel. If you don't know, now you know. It's Essential Sapphire. We back again with another motherfucking video. You know I'm excited, but to make a long story short, I just wanted to say I really appreciate you guys for taking your time out and watching my video, because like it really means a lot to me just to sit here and watch myself grow and just to see you guys to grow with me. Like it's honestly, it's a beautiful blessing. But I also wanted to say nothing more, nothing less. Let's go ahead and get into this video, sis. Period.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas brown me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
So to make a long story short, this is where I feel like as if I messed up. So instead of me braiding my hair down and gluing the tracks on my ponytail, I just wrapped my ponytail I made my ponytail smaller than what it was, and I wrapped my tracks around it. So remind you, when I did that, I didn't know like if you wrap like a little amount of tracks, you still gonna see your hair. So I had to wrap like a lot of tracks around my ponytail so it could be thick, so it won't be so my mini bun won't be showing through my actual ponytail, you know. So that's pretty much what I did there on that trick.
17, all good, chucks a look around, find one to see my type. Now my dog and he knows what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes, I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing though, women they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day, baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. Safe on arrival, pistol on J's for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I was trying to have a nice night though, baby brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think this was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's like, no, I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. Don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You can go wherever with that ass. Show to the shout, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing though, women they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day, baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
So y'all, I tried to like cut this ponytail, right? I just thought maybe I could just brush all the hair in the back and, you know, make it all even and cut it. No, that still did not make the cut straight. And my sister actually had to go in the back of my hair and straighten up the cut for me because I couldn't do it by myself and it was very hard. So that's what I wanted to put in here as a disclaimer. But other than that, this look had came out very beautiful. And yeah, like overall, like the ponytail and everything. I also want to say that make sure you put like a full bundle or a bundle and a half when you working with a ponytail like mine, because my ponytail wasn't braided down, so all you're gonna see is like a little bun. You may see a little bun right there if you don't have like enough hair, if that makes sense, to cover it up. So that's what I did on mine. I just added some more hair to cover up the bun in the back because I didn't have hair glue at the time. I didn't have hair glue at the time to glue my tracks on my ponytail, because I was gonna braid my hair down and glue the tracks on there, but I couldn't because I didn't have the hair glue. So to make a long story short, this is pretty much how I did it and how this style came out. I also wanted to say thank you guys for taking your time out for watching this video. I really hope you guys really enjoy your day and stay blessed.